Today I wanted to show y'all how to install this smoke alarm. It's the kind with the wire harness integrated. So it has a wire harness, and it has also a battery backup. What that does, you have your wire harness connected hardwired to 120 volts that are behind the smoke detector here, and then it also has a 9-volt battery. This is a backup in case your power goes out in the middle of the night or during a storm or whatnot. This will, if your power fails or goes off, you still have the battery backup. Okay. First things first, you wanna go outside to your breaker box, and there should be a breaker that has it should say smoke alarms, and that should turn off all your smoke alarms. And my house here has five smoke alarms. Some people might have more, but this is the smoke alarm I chose. Is first alert. Uh, I read the reviews on this and another brand. There was less negative reviews on this alarm, so I went with this, and I got this from Amazon. I bought a box of 6. I think the model number is 9120 B6CP. That's the smoke alarm. I think they go for $65. I saved $5 by going through Amazon. I'm gonna put a link down in the description just so y'all can have better and quicker access. But anyways, let's get started. What you want to do, you remove the old smoke alarm. You want to spin it counterclockwise. Well, this one it came off with the bracket because the screws weren't in there properly. You disconnect the harness from the back. This is what the plate looks like. And the plate actually has some screws in there to keep it in place. I won't move it. Anyways, get rid of that. Oh, the tools you might need. A voltage checker. This is a really inexpensive voltage checker I've been having for several years now. I think it was like $5. Some wire cutters, and a flathead screwdriver. So you want to, like I said, you started off by disconnecting the power at the breaker box. Just for safety reasons, I always like to double check if there's any voltage. You want to make sure, you want to check your power, make sure you don't, there's no power before you actually touch the wires. You want to touch, it doesn't matter if it's what wire touches what, but you want to touch the black wire and the white wire together. And this will show you there's no power. It's safe to touch. Okay, so you want to remove the old harness, because obviously smoke detectors are quite old. There are different harnesses available for the new smoke detectors. This is the new smoke detector. You want to remove the plate. It looks just like this, and you want to attach it. Well, before you attach that, let's go ahead and get the new harness. It looks like this. What you want to do is get the wire strippers. There's 3 wires. One is your hot, neutral, and this is going to be the wire that communicates with the rest of your smoke detectors. So you want to go ahead and peel the plastic off. Okay. You're gonna get your wire nuts, which are already on here. All you do is connect black to black, white to white, and red. Well, in this case, this one's orange, and you have red wires that are installed throughout the house. All you want to do is give it a little spin around the wire. Take the wire nut, push it in, spin it. Nice and tight. Pull on it a little bit. Make sure it's not loose. Do the rest of them. Give it a little tug. Make sure it's not loose. Next one. Spin it around. See, that one just came right off. Make sure not to have them do that. Having loose wires like that can cause it to have a short and start a fire. Nice little tug. Go ahead and put your wires back in the electrical box. Just like so. Now you get your plate. So plate. Get your flathead. Your plate on.
Mommy, why is it hip?
Okay, put your plate on. Tighten back your screws. Make sure your plate doesn't move. Put your harness in. And that's it. There you go. Make sure to remove this tab for your battery. But I would first of all, go and turn back your breaker box. This there's a light here that should light up green or red. I'm not sure. These are I have not turned them on yet, but there should be a indicator light here that'll turn on your and make sure that lets you know there's power to it. And that's it. Test them out. Hold down your button, make sure they're all working. And that pretty much covers everything. Hope this video has been helpful. And until next time.